The Vauxhall Mokka key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a coin. Insert the tool into the seam between the two halves of the fob. Gently twist the tool to pop the case open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic. For newer models, a metal finish may be present, but the opening process remains the same. Be sure to work on a non-conductive surface. No electrical knowledge is needed beyond basic care. Carefully remove the old CR232 battery using a non-conductive tool like plastic tweezers to avoid short-circuiting. Note the orientation of the old battery, specifically which side is facing up. It's usually the positive side marked with a plus symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it sits securely in the holder. Snap the case back together securely. Test all buttons, lock, unlock, and boot release to ensure the key fob works properly. The average battery life is 1 to 2 years, but it can be shorter in extreme climates. Dispose of the old battery at a designated e-waste center.